There was a time when college meant dreams. Dreams of becoming something great, of creating a change, of making a difference. But today, many of our colleges have turned into factories. Factories that produce degrees without knowledge, certificates without confidence, and graduates without skills. Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. But what if this weapon has gone blunt? What if instead of empowering the youth, our system is silently disabling the potential? According to the economic survey of 2023-24, only 51% of Indian graduates are employable. A Mercer Metal report says that employability has dropped by 42.6%, and shockingly, 83% of engineering students in India graduate without a job or internship offer. Just imagine lakhs of young minds full of energy, talent, dreams, left standing uncertain at the gate of opportunity. Walk into any college today and you will find the same scene everywhere. Crowded classrooms, slides flashing, students memorizing notes, waiting only for marks. We are taught what to think, but never how to think. We study for exams, not for life. Albert Einstein once said, education is not the learning of facts, but the training of mind to think. But sadly, our education system celebrates memorization, not imagination. Colleges proudly announce the replacement figures, but behind those numbers lies a harsh truth. Most students are not ready for the real world. We have created a generation that can solve equations but not problems, that can recite theories but not apply them. And the saddest part, we have started accepting this as normal. It's time to break the mold. Colleges must stop being factories and start becoming gardens. Gardens where curiosity blooms, creativity is nurtured, and confidence is cultivated. Education should not just fill minds, it should ignite them because factories produce products, but education must produce people. And people are not meant to fit into the world, they are meant to shape it. As Johan Dewey once beautifully said, education is not the preparation for life, education is life itself. So let's demand for an education that gives not just a degree but a direction, not just a livelihood but a life. Thank you.